Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of transactions swirling around your business? Tired of manually entering every single one into your accounting software? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Xero, a powerful cloud-based accounting software that can simplify your financial life. And we'll be focusing on a crucial step: how to add accounts to Xero. Context. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why this is so important. Think of accounts as the building blocks of your financial records. They categorize your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Accurate account categorization is the foundation of any sound financial analysis. It allows you to track income and expenses effectively, pinpoint where your money is coming from and where it's going, generate accurate financial reports, create meaningful reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, make informed business decisions, understand your financial health, identify areas for improvement, and make strategic choices about your business's future. Simplify tax preparation. Easily prepare tax returns with accurate and organized financial data. Getting started. So, how do you actually add accounts to Xero? Let's break it down. Log in to your Xero account. Enter your login credentials and access your Xero dashboard. Navigate to the chart of accounts. In the left-hand menu, you should see an option like Accounting or Chart of Accounts. Click on it to access the list of existing accounts. Add a new account. Look for the Add Account button. It might be a plus sign, plus symbol, or a similar icon. Click on it to open the account creation window. Choose the account type. Xero provides a variety of account types, including income, sales, service revenue, interest income, expense, cost of goods sold, rent, salaries, utilities, asset, cash, accounts receivable, inventory, property, plant, and equipment, liability, accounts payable, loans, credit card debt, equity, owner's equity, retained earnings. Select the appropriate account type for the transaction you want to record. Enter account details. Account name. Give your account a clear and concise name. For example, sales revenue, rent expense, cash at bank. Account code. Xero may assign a default code, or you can create your own. Consistent coding helps with organization and reporting. Tax rate. If applicable, select the relevant tax rate for this account. Choose a tracking category. Optional. Tracking categories allow you to further segment your transactions. For example, if you have multiple projects, you can track income and expenses by project. This provides valuable insights into the profitability of different areas of your business. Save the account. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save or Create. Tips for effective account creation. Use a consistent naming convention. This makes it easier to find and reconcile accounts. Keep your account structure simple. Avoid creating overly complex account structures that can make your bookkeeping more difficult. Review your account list regularly. Ensure your account list is up to date and accurately reflects your current business needs. Consider using a chart of accounts template. Xero offers pre-built chart of accounts templates for different industries. These can serve as a starting point and save you time. Let's illustrate with an example. Imagine you run a small bakery. You'd want to create accounts for income, sales, bread, cakes, pastries, catering revenue, expenses, cost of goods sold, flour, sugar, eggs, rent, utilities, salaries, marketing, assets, cash at bank, accounts receivable, if you offer credit to customers, inventory, raw materials and finished goods, liabilities, accounts payable, bills owed to suppliers, loans. Key considerations. Account structure. The specific accounts you create will depend on the nature of your business. For example, a service-based business might have accounts for consulting fees, travel expenses, and professional fees. Industry best practices. Research industry-specific best practices for account categorization. This can help you ensure your accounting records comply with relevant regulations and provide the most valuable insights for your business. Regular reviews. Periodically review your account structure to ensure it accurately reflects your current business activities. Beyond the basics, Xero's account mapping. Xero's account mapping feature allows you to easily import data from other accounting software or bank statements. Reconciliation. Once you've added accounts, it's crucial to reconcile your bank accounts and credit card statements regularly. This ensures the accuracy of your financial records. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.